How did you outfox your ex in family court? My ex-husband spent 2 years convincing everyone I was an unfit mother. He painted himself as the devoted dad stuck with a mentally unstable wife who couldn't handle motherhood. Walking into family court, I felt like David facing Goliath. He'd brought an army. His mother, his new girlfriend, his boss who'd vouch for his stability, and even our son's baseball coach. My lawyer looked nervous. "This is going to be tough," she whispered. His attorney went first, calling witness after witness. His mother testified that I'd shown up to pickup days clearly intoxicated and emotionally erratic. Complete lies, but she sold it with tears. His girlfriend described finding our son dirty and hungry whenever he returned from my house. The baseball coach claimed I'd missed every single game this season, leaving our 8-year-old scanning the bleachers for his mom. The judge's expression grew colder with each testimony. He scribbled notes, occasionally glancing at me with obvious disgust. When his boss testified about my ex's exemplary character and dedication to fatherhood, I wanted to scream. Then came the final blow. My ex took the stand, voice breaking as he described finding our son locked in his room while I partied downstairs with strangers. He claimed I'd been threatening to take our son out of state to spite him. "I just want what's best for Tommy," he said, wiping fake tears. When my turn came, my lawyer asked, "Your Honor, may my client present evidence?" The judge sighed. "Proceed." I connected my laptop to the courtroom display and pressed play. The first video showed my ex dropping our son off after his weekend. Our son was crying, saying, "Daddy said you don't want me anymore. Is that true, Mommy?" The second clip was from our son's school play. The camera showed me in the front row, applauding enthusiastically, while capturing my ex's empty seat with his name clearly visible on the reserved sign. Then came the baseball game footage. Every single game this season, shot from my phone. Me cheering, bringing snacks for the team, consoling our son after strikeouts. In the background of one clip, you could see the coach who just testified against me giving me a thumbs up after I helped organize the team party. The courtroom fell silent. The coach stared at his shoes, but the real bombshell was the final video. Hidden camera footage from our son's backpack, something I'd started recording after our son began coming home with strange stories. It showed my ex coaching our son. "Remember, tell the judge Mommy drinks wine during the day, and say she locks you in your room when her friends come over. If you do good, we'll get ice cream." Our 8-year-old's innocent voice asking, "But Mommy doesn't do those things, Daddy. Why do I have to lie?" My ex's response was chilling. "Because grown-ups sometimes have to say things that aren't exactly true to protect the people we love. You want to protect Daddy, right?" The judge's face transformed from skepticism to fury. My ex's mother looked sick. His girlfriend was backing toward the exit. "Your Honor," I said, standing up. "I have documentation of every pickup, every school event, every doctor's appointment. I've never missed a moment of my son's life by choice. I installed that camera because my son started having nightmares about disappointing Daddy if he didn't say the right things." My ex tried to speak, but his lawyer grabbed his arm, shaking his head frantically. The judge took a 10-minute recess. When he returned, his ruling was swift. I'm granting primary custody to the mother, with the father receiving supervised visitation pending a psychological evaluation. I'm also referring this case for perjury charges. As we left the courtroom, my ex hissed, "You'll regret this." I turned back and smiled. "The only thing I regret is not recording you sooner." That night, I tucked my son into his own bed, in his own room, where he belonged. "Mommy," he whispered, "I don't have to lie anymore, right? Never again, baby. Truth is always stronger than lies."